On Thursday, a federal judge in Seattle stopped President Donald Trump's administration from carrying out an executive order that would limit automatic birthright citizenship in the United States. The judge described the order as clearly unconstitutional. U.S. District Judge John Coughenour, responding to requests from 4 Democratic-led states, placed a temporary hold on enforcing an order that the Republican president signed on his first day in office. Trump's executive order told U.S. agencies not to recognize the citizenship of children born in the United States if their parents are not U.S. citizens or legal permanent residents. The judge told a lawyer from the U.S. Justice Department who was defending Trump's order, "I find it hard to believe that a lawyer can confidently say this order is constitutional. It really confuses me." The states of Washington, Arizona, Illinois, and Oregon claimed that Trump's order broke the rule in the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. This rule states that anyone born in the United States is a citizen. The judge stated, "This order clearly goes against the Constitution." Before Justice Department lawyer Brett Shumate finished speaking, Coughenour announced that he had signed a temporary restraining order requested by Democratic state attorneys general from various states. In a busy courtroom, Washington Assistant Attorney General Lane Polozola stated that according to this order, babies born today are not considered U.S. citizens. Coughenour, who was appointed by former Republican President Ronald Reagan, put a temporary hold on Trump's order. This means that the order cannot be enforced across the country for 14 days while Coughenour decides if he should issue a more permanent block. Due to Trump's order, any children born after February, young people whose parents are not citizens or legal residents can be deported. They also cannot get Social Security numbers, many government benefits, or work legally as they grow older. If Trump's order is allowed to remain in place, over 150,000 newborns each year could lose their right to citizenship, say the states led by Democrats. Many other lawsuits are currently active across the country. These cases are brought by civil rights groups and Democratic state attorneys general from 22 states who argue that this is a clear violation of the U.S. Constitution. Democratic state attorneys general have stated that the interpretation of the Constitution's citizenship clause was established 127 years ago. At that time, the U.S. Supreme Court decided that children born in the United States to parents who are not citizens have the right to American citizenship. The 14th Amendment was added in 1868 after the Civil War. It reversed the Supreme Court's famous 1857 Dred Scott decision, which said that the Constitution's protections did not extend to enslaved black people. In a short statement submitted late on Wednesday, the U.S. Justice Department described the order as an important part of the president's plan to fix the country's broken immigration system and deal with the ongoing problems at the southern border. During Thursday's hearing, Shumate argued that the order was constitutional. He stated that any order stopping Trump's action would be very inappropriate. On Tuesday, 36 of Trump's Republican supporters in the U.S. House of Representatives proposed a new law. This law would limit automatic citizenship to only those children who are born to citizens or legal permanent residents.